are clear to land.
Nope, first time. Go to land, 26 left, Allegiant 2, thanks.
PS 2692 heavy, Alpha 7 and a right onto Alpha, hold short of the Alpha 6 intersection.
Okay, Alpha 7, right on Alpha, hold short of Alpha 6, intersection UPS 2692.
Southwest 3014, connect departure, see you.
Good day, Southwest 3014.
Air Mexico 485, wind is 0608, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Therefore, takeoff runway 26 right, Mexico 485.
Southwest 2226, Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 right, line up wait for Aero Mexico departing in sight, please.
Well, we got Air Mexico in sight, line up await 26 right, Southwest 2226.
Legion 11, connect departure, see you.
Departure, see ya. Las Vegas Tower, good afternoon, Spirit Wings 205, it's on the visual, runway 26 left.
205 Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 left for land, 10608.
26 left, third land, Spirit Wings 205.
Stripe 656, 19 left, line up away to about 4 more departures off the opposite side.
19 left, line up away, big stripe 6. Alpha 7, short 26 right, Southwest 1574.
Southwest 2226, maintain visual separation, 10608, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Aircraft in sight, clear for takeoff 26 right, Southwest 2226.
PS 2692 heavy, continue Alpha, hold short of 26 right at Alpha 4.
Continue Alpha, hold short 26 right at Alpha 4, UPS 2692 heavy.
Polaris 967 Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 right, line up away, airport Southwest departing in sight.
Roger, line up and wait, turn the right, 26 right, and we have an airplane.
Mexico 485, contact departure.
Mr. Passenger, Mexico 4.
Polaris 967, with your call sign, please just confirm you have Southwest departing in sight, please. Plus 1574, short of Alpha 6.
Alpha 6, Southwest 1574.
On Alpha, short of Alpha 6.
Short of Alpha 6, Southwest 1574.
Polaris 967, 26 right, clear for takeoff, 10610.
For takeoff, 10 to 6 right, Polaris 967.
Legion 106, Las Vegas Tower, 26 right, line up and wait.
Line up away 26 right, Legion 106.
Legion 2, Southwest wait, short of 26 right at Alpha 6, please.
Turn Alpha 6, 26 right, Legion 2.
Alpha 1574, twice I told you to hold short of Alpha 6, and before that, I told you to hold short of 26 right at Alpha 7. Plus 2226, connect departure.
Southwest 2226, good day.
Plus 1574, Tower, how do you hear?
5 by 5, Southwest 1574.
Twice I told you to hold short of Alpha 6, and before that I told you to hold short of 26 right at Alpha 7, but you kept moving anyway.
What would you like, Southwest 1574?
Alpha 1574, hold short 26 right. I'll give you a phone number in just a moment. You get 106, 26 right, you're clear for takeoff, 10608.
For takeoff, 26 right, Legion 106.
Delta 497, Las Vegas Tower, 26 right, line up away for traffic.
Line up away, 26 right, Delta 497. Tower Spirit Wings, 1688. Can we pull off over here and run some numbers real quick?
Sorry, who is that with the numbers?
Spirit Wings, 1688.
You can hold right there. I don't have anyone behind you yet.
Roger, thank you.
First 967, contact departure, see ya.
Departure 967, thank you, so long.
American 750 at Alpha 4, you can cross runway 26 right, and then Charlie to the ramp, traffic in position.
Cross 26 right at Alpha 4 and to the ramp, American 750.
Southwest 15 to 74, you can cross runway 26 right at Alpha 6. If you could just make a right turn on Charlie and then stop, remain this frequency.
Right, clear to cross on 26 right, Alpha 6, right turn on Charlie and stop, Southwest 1574.
Agent 106, can I departure?
Oh, 6 here.
Agent 2, cross 26 right Golf ramp.
Cross 26 right, Golf ramp, Alpha 2, Legion 2.
PS 2692, have you even crossed runway 26 right Alpha 4 traffic in position and switch to ground on point 1 for further?
Cross 26 right, Alpha 4, ground point 1. What's clear, UPS 2692, have a good day.
Spirit 205, cross 26 right, ground point 1, see ya.
Cross 26 right, ground point 1, Spirit 205.
Agent 106, can I departure? Plus 1574, just let me know when you're ready to copy the phone number.
Go ahead with the number for Southwest 1574. Speed 79, 13 miles, visual 26 west.
Plus 1574, possible pilot deviation, advise you contact area code 725-600-7095.
725-600-7095, Southwest 1574.
Office 1574, read back correct, what's your gate?
Charlie 12, Southwest 1574.
And continue via Charlie, contact the ramp, Southwest 1574, see ya.
Charlie to the ramp, 1574.
Delta 879, Las Vegas, tower 126 left, clear to land, wind 0708.
Clear to land 26 left, Delta 879.
Back departure 259.
Departure for show
97, wind is 0708, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 497.
Frontier 2138, Las Vegas, tower 126 right, full length, line up and wait.
Runway 26 right, Frontier 2138. Delta 3101, visual 26.
Now the 3101, Las Vegas, tower 126 left, clear to land, wind is 0609.
Clear to land 26 west, 3101.
Frontier 2138, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, wind is 0608.
26 right, clear to go, Frontier 2138.
Delta 497, kind of